What are accrued expenses? Accrued expenses are expenses that a business has already incurred but has not yet paid. In simple words, accrued expenses are bills a company owes even though payment has not been made yet. These expenses are recorded in accounting before the cash is actually paid. Accrued expenses follow the rules of accrual accounting. Under accrual accounting, expenses must be recorded when they happen, not when money leaves the business. Common examples of accrued expenses include salaries, wages, electricity bills, interest expenses, rent, and taxes that are owed but unpaid. For example, employees may work during the last week of December but receive their salary in January. The salary expense still belongs to December because the work was done in that month, so the company records it as an accrued expense. Accrued expenses are shown as liabilities on the balance sheet. A liability means the business has an obligation to pay money in the future. When the payment is finally made, the accrued expense account is reduced. Recording accrued expenses helps present accurate financial statements. It ensures expenses match the revenue earned in the same period. This is called the matching principle. Without accrued expenses, profits may appear higher than they actually are. Accrued expenses help businesses understand their real financial position. In simple terms, accrued expenses are unpaid bills that already belong to the current accounting period. Easy way to remember, accrued expenses mean expense now, payment later.